Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to go live on the LinkedIn business page. First, ensure you are logged into your LinkedIn account. Select your LinkedIn page where you want to host the event. On your page, click on Create to start creating the event. Click on Create an event from the options provided. Choose a descriptive name for your event. Choose the appropriate time zone for your event. Enter the date and time where your event will start and end. If applicable, include a link to an external event page. Check this box if you want attendees to register using LinkedIn's registration form. Give a brief overview of what the event is about and what attendees can expect. You have to add speakers to your event by searching for their names. Once you have entered all the necessary details, select Next to proceed. Type a brief description of what you will be discussing during the event. For example, if you are hosting an event on hosting an event, provide a summary of the topics you will cover. After completing all the steps, select Post to publish your event. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.